Good evening, respected sir and my dear friends. Today I am going to explain in this video about a RPC application through which we can perform addition and subtraction. Before that, we have to check that we have RPC package in our Linux. For that, we have to go through the RPC info command and press enter. If you got this information, it means that in your Linux RPC packages are installed. If you don't get this message, type sudo space apt hyphen get space install space rpc bind. After entering this, it will load and download and the packages in your Linux. After that, you have to again execute this rpc info command, then you will get this info. Before I had downloaded this, so I got this information. Now RPC means remote procedure call. Remote procedure call means some execution will be done by the client side and some execution will be taken under process of the server. For that, it will have some flow which is known as RPC flow. Here in this, client executes a command which gives the RPC server a call message, and server will invoke in that command, and it will procedure that call, and server executes the procedure and procedure will return. Request will be completed, and after completing that request, RPC return message will be get by the client, and client again continues the execution. This is the RPC flow. Okay, now we will get back to the terminal. Here we are using RPC application development. In this we are using Ubuntu OS and C as the programming language. In my simple example, steps invoked in developing a RPC application developing, where specifying the protocol for client server communication, developing the client program, developing the server program. For that, step 1, specifying the protocol for client server communication. In this, an interface description language IDL to let various platforms call the RPC. The IDL files can then be used to generate code to interface between the client and server. So in IDL file, we define the program structure in like below. As this, I had developed a program. First of all, we clear this information, and now before get into the development, we have to execute one command. Before executing, we have to make a file like this RPC in the home directory, and after creating the file, we have to enter into the file through terminal. For that we have to enter cd space. There I had given the file name as capital RPC. We have to give the file name as it is. If it is caps, we have to type caps. Here it entered into the RPC folder. Yeah. Now, as before I said, ideal file. We define the program structure like below, where we save the file as ideal file. For saving a file as ideal, we have to give an extension known as .x. We give as a C programs .c. We have to give here .x extension. Now, once we search programs in this, here there calculate.x, that is the program which I had developed. Once enter into this, vi space calculate .x. This is the program I had developed, which is a small, short and sweet. Okay. Next, after developing this, we have to enter a command rpc gen space hyphen a space hyphen capital C space file name calculate .x. By entering in this command, we get some files which are known as sample files for developing our application. Those are calculate client.c, client program editable file, calculate server.c, server program editable file, and calculate cln.c, which is client stuff, calculate svn.c, server stuff, calculate hdr.c, which is an XDR, external data representation filters, calculate.h, which is known as header file needed for any XDR filters, and makefile.calculate, which compile all the source files by using this file. We compile all these files using this file. Those will be in this RPC. Calculate clnt.o, clnto.o, calculate server svn, svc, xdr.o, makefile.add. This is another one, makefile.calculate. This is our current program. So by this we completed this step 1. Now we enter into the step 2 where we have to develop the client program. First clear this. We have to enter into the file known as calculate underscore client dot c. First we have to enter vi. This is the calculate client dot c program, which is before it will be as a sample program. We have to edit it. It is an editable file. We have to enter code which we required to us. We have to develop this code according to our need, and after developing this code, we have to developing the client calculate client.c is known as step 2. Now we are entering into the step 3, which is known as developing the server program, where we have to enter into the file name which is already existed before. Calculate underscore server dot c. Oh, it's not there. We have to enter the correct one. First we will check the commands. Calculate. Okay, I had entered the wrong name. vi calculate underscore server dot c. Here before I had missed the v. Okay, leave it. Here also we get a sample server program. We have to edit that program according to our need. After developing the program, developing client and server programs, I will clear all this stuff. After edited that files, we have to enter a command which is known as make space -f space capital M make file dot calculate. Make file dot calculate. By entering this, we get two executable files in the RPC, which are known as calculate client dot o and calculate server dot o. these are present in my system because I had executed them before only. By this additional execution, by this additional files will be created in our RPC folder, which helps in our execution of an RPC application in which we have to do addition and subtraction. Now we will for RPC we have to execute a command for execution, which is known as sudo space dot slash calculate underscore server. Here it will ask the Linux password. We have to enter that password. Hit enter into the execution mode. Now here we have to enter into a new terminal, and we have to enter cd space rpc file name, which I had entered before only. Now we have to execute the client program using RPC. We have to enter sudo space dot slash calculate underscore client space. Here I am using localhost. We have to enter localhost on client side. Now we have to enter. It will ask again Linux password. We have to enter again that password. Okay, here we got the program application execution, RPC execution. It is asking enter number 1. Enter number 2. Enter the operator. Plus or minus, we have to enter the operator. First we try plus. Here we got the answer where server done the request adding 453 and 987 and sent request answer. If we want to execute again, enter the same command, and now we will execute any. Now we will try minus operator, pressing enter. By pressing enter, it will go to the server, and server got request, and it is subtracting 7895 minus 1345. We get the answer here. Process is done here, procedure, and answer is seen here. By this we can execute the RPC application. Thank you.